In this tutorial, I just want to show you how you can do an XLOOKUP based on not just one, but two criteria, which is great if both your lookup criteria and your return criteria is either all in columns or all in rows. So in this example, we have regional sales by region and by product. And as you can see, our lookup for region and our lookup for product is both in columns, and so is what we're trying to return, the sales. So we actually want to find out the sales for the pants sales in the South region. In this example, we can do an XLOOKUP based on two criteria by doing first equals XLOOKUP and then open parentheses. Now lookup value. So here in the first argument, you're going to have two lookup values separated by an ampersand. And what I mean by that is you're going to have South ampersand sign and then pants. So the first criteria that you're trying to look up is going to be, the first and then ampersand, the second lookup criteria. And then comma, lookup array. So where are you going to look up this criteria in, right? We're going to want to look up the region criteria in this region column right here. And do the ampersand sign like with the lookup criteria. And have the second lookup array be the product. Now it's important to keep in mind that for your lookup array that they're the same number of rows or the same number of columns. As you can see, this example change in both lookup arrays extend from row 6 to row 29, so just make sure the same size. Comma and return array, well, we just want to return one array. That would be the sales. And then the last arguments are optional of if not found, match mode, and search mode, which I'm not going to use in this example, but you can have something returned if it's not found. You can pick the match modes, exact match, for item, or wildcard character match, or you can do search mode. But that's not needed, as you can tell by their other brackets. So close parentheses, and as you can see in the south, for pants, there's $164 for the sales, and in the north, there is $238. So as you can see, north pants $238 right there. But let's just say north for us for a coin, for example, north coin sales were 188. So yeah, I hope you found this to be helpful. I hope you found this neat trick. Will help you do more effective lookups. And if you found this to be interesting, please like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. You have a fantastic day.